Now, away from now, let's talk about Kumasi Asante Kotoko. They were in the United States of America over the weekend. And Saturday, no money a DC United under 18 boy. Now, Tia Kotoko, Yenyane said 2 of their players who are from Sudan, Abdul Karim and Esmat. You say they've absconded. Burunika said they've absconded, and that's a Womojane African. Bomuko drew USA, no. So 2 players, we see hotel, Honoma, almost say, John Saba. John Saba, who players, DBMA. Womode omo akan ura pabam omo ye fremokra 2 Sudanese players are Kotoko signed this season. They were some of the best performing players for Asante Kotoko as the season started. Kotoko releases statement to that effect, and let's go through the statement quickly. Now, they say that Asante Kotoko regrets to inform our supporters and the public that 2 players, Esmat Abdul Hamid Muhammad and Abdul Karim Yukub, both Sudanese nationals, are currently missing from the camp. The players left the team's hotel without permission on Friday, 11th October 2024, and all efforts to contact or locate them have been unsuccessful. The club has officially notified law enforcement authorities in the United States and is cooperating fully to ensure their safe return. We urge our supporters to remain calm as we work with the relevant authorities, and it was signed by the IMC. And Asante Kotoko Ekodu US, no 2 Sudanese players at the moment they've absconded, and CCTV footage from the hotel shows that they were seen entering a taxi. It means that maybe their escape was planned before they got to the United States. And 2 Sudanese players are working to US. Now 7 players at the visa Timiko PMO US for that game. 2 of them have escaped, so it's left with 5 players and the technical team. Let's see if these players would return to the country to continue their career with Asante Kotoko. Let's now